Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's answer a question many designers are asking right now. Will AI replace UI and UX designers? The honest answer is no, not completely. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a full replacement for UI and UX designers. AI can speed up design work, but designers still guide the experience. And that difference is very important. Let's first understand where AI helps. AI can create wireframes quickly from a simple prompt or brief. It can generate multiple UI variations, so designers can compare different layouts faster. It can help create quick prototypes, draft user flows, suggest screen content, and support design system work. AI can also help with basic accessibility checks and repetitive design tasks. So instead of starting from a blank screen, designers can use AI to get a faster first draft. That saves time. It helps designers research faster, design faster, test faster, and learn faster. But now comes the most important part. Design is not only about creating beautiful screens. Design is about understanding people. Why are users struggling? What are they trying to achieve? What makes them confused, frustrated, or confident? AI can suggest layouts, but it cannot fully replace user empathy, product thinking, and design judgment. That is why designers still matter. UI and UX designers still do user research. They understand user needs, emotions, pain points, and behavior. They frame the real problem before jumping into solutions. They decide the information architecture, meaning how content, pages, navigation, and actions should be organized. They run usability testing to see where users struggle. They align the design with business goals. They make brand and experience decisions. They communicate with stakeholders. And finally, they make the final design judgment. Now let's understand this with real-world examples. In a UI design example, AI can generate UI variations, suggest layouts and colors, and speed up wireframes. But the designer still has to choose the best experience, align it with the brand, and validate it with users. Because a screen can look good and still be hard to use. In a UX research example, AI can summarize interview notes, cluster common themes, and highlight patterns. But the designer still has to ask the right questions, interpret emotions and context, and prioritize the most important pain points. Because user research is not just reading notes. It is understanding what users really mean. In a usability testing example, AI can detect repeated issues, summarize observations, and suggest possible fixes. But the designer still has to understand why users struggled, decide redesign priorities, and balance trade-offs. Sometimes fixing one problem can create another problem. That decision needs human judgment. In a design system example, AI can help reuse components faster, draft consistency checks, and create repetitive variants. But the designer still has to maintain system quality, protect usability and accessibility, and make final design decisions. So the pattern is very clear. AI boosts speed. Humans ensure usability. AI can create drafts. Designers create experiences. AI can suggest options. Designers decide what is right for the user and the product. So the future is not UI UX designer versus AI. The best future is UI UX designer plus AI. Use AI as an assistant, not as the final decision maker. User empathy still matters. Creativity still matters. Strategy still matters. And design judgment still matters. So remember the quick rule. AI will not replace UI and UX designers. But designers using AI will replace designers who ignore AI